like this with the basket not full. Watch the lid. When the water comes out right here, that's an indication there's a crack in this plastic lid, so it needs to be replaced. Okay, so I got the O-ring out the gasket, and if you look right along this top edge, you can see the crack in the glass right there where my finger is. So the solution is order a new lid assembly. There's the part number. But crack in the glass. So one thing I do want to point out on these pumps, if the water squirts out from under the lid, either tighten the lid or put on a new O-ring. Okay, if it squirts out from under. If it squirts out of the top, anywhere on the top, then you know it needs a new lid. So
if that helped you, please consider subscribing. Also, there is a link in the description.